In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the same Webex link for multiple meetings. This is a handy skill that can streamline your meeting process significantly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your Webex meetings efficiently. First, let's begin by launching Webex on your device. You should see the application icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. As you click it open, the familiar Webex interface will appear on your screen. This is the starting point for all your meetings. Having easy access to Webex makes it simple to arrange meetings and connect with colleagues. Next, log in if prompted. You may need to enter your credentials such as your email and password. This step ensures that you are securely logged into your account. Once logged in, you will have access to all your personal settings and meeting tools. This is crucial because it keeps your account secure and allows you to manage your meetings effectively. Now, you can use the same Webex link for multiple meetings by utilizing your permanent personal room link. This unique link is a dedicated space where you can host meetings at any time. It allows you to avoid the hassle of generating new links for each meeting. This little step saves you a lot of time later by keeping everything organized in one place. With that ready, look at your home dashboard to find your personal room URL. This URL typically follows the format of webex.com. It should be prominently displayed on your dashboard, making it easy to locate. Understanding where to find this link is vital, as it will be used repeatedly for all your meetings. After locating your personal room URL, click the copy icon next to the link. This action saves the link to your clipboard, allowing you to use it easily without typing it out. You will see a confirmation message or icon indicating that the link has been copied successfully. Ensuring you have the right link copied is essential for seamless meeting setups. Next up, paste this link into recurring calendar invites, your email signature, or chat channels. This step makes it easy for others to join your meetings because they will always have the correct link at hand. It also eliminates confusion over different links for different meetings. By placing this link in multiple places, you ensure that everyone stays informed and connected, which enhances communication. By following these steps, you can effectively use the same Webex link for all your meetings. This method not only saves time, but also creates consistency for your attendees. You'll be able to manage your meetings more efficiently, allowing you to focus on the content of your discussions rather than logistical details. Now that you know how to use the same Webex link for multiple meetings, you can streamline your meeting process. This will improve your productivity and make it easier for your team to connect. Thank you for watching, and happy meeting!